First, you need to understand this. Not all passive income will work for you, but there will be few that will align with your interests and skills. So here are a few things you can do to find your next passive income source. I will list here some that you can start with no extra money at all. Content creation. I'll keep this at the top of my list because the majority of my earnings is just because of my content creation skills and nothing else. No marketing, no DMs, no luck. Just with one skill you can drive a massive amount of income from different income sources. E-commerce. I have only one music store on Instagram. I started my store when I got bored with my writing business. I haven't made money as I make through my ebooks, but still, small income counts. Digital products. I love creating digital products. I am into ebooks and Google Sheets. One such sheet you can find here, Ultimate Budget Tracker. Create video courses for Udemy. If you have a skill to share, then try making a small video course on it. It's really easy and doesn't take much longer. The sales are much more compared to ebooks. Rent out your spare room. This one is just like Airbnb. If you have a small space, then do try out renting it. Why to leave so much money on the table? Scene script. Do blogging. If you can write in simple English language, then you can do blogging as well. No skill is required. Design custom products. I do this on my Instagram store. It's a little bit tough, but still worth it. I use sometimes Canva or Photoshop for that. Advertising on your car. If you have a car and looking for some extra income, then why don't you try advertising? It doesn't take much money and you'll make a lot in return. Video content creation. Everyone wants to start YouTube, but fewer people have time for that. This is the reason why AI is becoming popular. If you can create good quality videos, then try to sell your services through Fiverr. I'm sure there will be an audience who are ready to buy videos from you. Sell stock photos. I think I made only $9. I have only a few illustrations on Adobe Stock. Not my side hustle, but something I wanted to try. See if you can make money selling photos or videos on it or not. If you love clicking photos, then I'm sure you must have many that others might need them. Get a roommate. In case you can do it. If you don't have a spare room, then simply get a roommate. My London uncle does this. It's really profitable. We'll use the money to pay for his children's degree. Rent out a parking space. If you have a space in a crowded area, then try giving them for parking. In conclusion, you won't be able to do all. I won't advise that other. Pick the one of your choice. See which one suits your needs.